Welcome to our video about hiding and showing ideas to focus better. We're going to learn how to collapse and expand branches. Branch ideas hold leaf ideas. To expand them, click the Expand Branch icon at the top right, or right-click again and click Expand Branch. To collapse a branch, press the Collapse Branch icon at the top right. You can also right-click the last idea you want to be shown and click Collapse Branch. This hides the chain of ideas and shows all other ideas, including the selected one. The marker will change at the top right of your selected idea to indicate that it has hidden branches. Another option in the drop-down menu is to show this branch only. Click it to show only that train of ideas up to the central idea, without any other sections. Use this when you want to focus on one section at a time. You may notice that our marker has changed again, this time on our central idea. It has hidden branches, and these can be shown by expanding them. Click Expand Branches again to return all sections to the way they were. For more videos and information, visit our website at fasteressays.com. You can also open our YouTube playlist for instructional videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your essays.